Okay. Hello friends, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Rakesh Purohit from Mathematics Department. Today we will discuss various properties of determinant. Before starting the properties, we will in previous lecture we already know the determinants. Today we will see some properties of determinant. So from this property you can see the determinants and you can say about the result of determinant. Okay. So first property is the value of a determinant. The value of a determinant is unchanged if the corresponding rows and columns are interchanged. Okay. So this is simple determinant what we have done. So how we can solve? 2 into in bracket 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 again 1 into 3 minus minus 1 into minus 1 plus this one 1 in bracket 1 into 2 minus minus 1 into 3. After solving this you will get this as 76 in terms of minus 76. This you will get. Now what this property is, the value of determinant is unchanged if the corresponding rows and columns are interchanged. Now this actually by simple method in previous lectures I will discuss and we will find the determinant. In same example, if rows and columns are interchanged, what it means? Means these are rows. This is row 1, row 2, row 3. Same way, this is first column, column 1, column 2 and this is column 3. So now what it says, the value of determinant is unchanged if the corresponding rows and columns are interchanged. So now I say some determinant dx. What it is nothing but first row you can write in first column. So it is 2, 3, 1. 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the d dash is nothing but it is d transpose. What it is? D dash is nothing but d transpose. So now we can solve by determinant method. So it is 2 into 3 into 3 minus minus 1 into 2 minus 1 3 into 3 3 into 3 minus 1 into 2 plus or it is minus 1, so minus 1 3 into minus 1 minus 1 into 3. Simplifying this you will get minus 76 again. So this is 6. What it is? The value of property of the value of a determinant is unchanged if the corresponding rows and columns are interchanged. Same result आप कॉलम के लिए भी कर सकते हो. रो और कॉलम को इंटरचेंज करोगे कोई भी डिटरमिनेंट का तो उसका रिजल्टिंग आंसर सेम आएगा. ये आपकी वही प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1. ओके, नाउ वी गो फॉर प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2. So what is property number 2? If any of two rows or columns, this shows or either row or column, या तो आप रो ले सकते हो या आप कॉलम ले सकते हो of a determinant are interchanged then the sign of new determinant changed, gets changed. For example, let we are taking some determinant t, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 2 minus 1, 3. By simpling determinant method, you will get this as minus 9. This we have solved previously, so I am not explaining this one. Now, what the property says? If the any of two rows and columns are interchanged, so what we get? Suppose this one is row 1, row 2, row 3. So what I am doing? Row 1 is interchanged by row 3. So what it means? D dash equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2. What we get in terms of answer? So it is 2 in bracket 3 into 2, 5, minus 2 into 4, minus plus 1 in bracket 1 into 5, minus 2 into 2. Again plus 3 in bracket 1 into 4, minus 3 into 2. Simplify this one. So this is 2 in bracket. This is 15 minus 8 plus 1, 5 minus 4 plus 3. So it is 4 minus 6. So what it is? 7, 14 plus 1 minus 6. So this is 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. So it is 9. So what we have done? If any of two rows of a determinant are interchanged, first और third row को interchange किया, then the sign of new determinant gets changed. पहले देखें यहाँ पे आंसर -9 है, अब यहाँ पे हमने जैसे ही इंटरचेंज किया, you will get the answer. Same way कॉलम को भी आप कर सकते हो, you will get the this type of answer. This is your property number 2. कॉलम के लिए भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Now we go for property number 3. What it is, if the corresponding elements of any two rows, or you can say columns are equal, then the value of determinant is 0. For example, 3, 1, 2, 1, 0, 7, again 3, 1, 2. Find out its step. So see here, what it happens here, what it says, the corresponding elements of any two rows or column are equal, then the value of determinant is 0. See here. Here what happens? Elements of first row and third row are same. So by the property it would be 0. Is it? We check. So how we check? By our simple method, 3 into 0 into 2 minus 1 into 7 minus 1 in bracket 1 into 2 minus 3 into 7 plus 2 1 into 1 minus 3 into 0. Simplify this. So this is 3. This is 0 minus 7 minus 1. This is 2 minus 21 plus 2. This is 1 minus 0. This is what happens? Minus 21 minus plus 19 plus 2. This is same this you can go for any of the column, you will get same this. So these are the properties of, these are the first three properties of determinants. Next time we will see the other properties of determinant. Thank you. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.